You guys hungry? Are we hungry? Got your bone broth in there. I gave you a spoonful of honey. You didn't like that. Okay. All right. Rock first. Oh, look, you even got your tripe. Gotta eat some of this. Can you sit? Give me kiss. You got your antibiotic in you. A little sedative. Maybe calm you. Get you to sleep. Yeah. Your weird habits. He's not at his placemat. Somebody's hungry. All your special delivery meals. Oh, there he goes. Placemat. Hey, Apollo, come here. Get over there with that. You don't even let it touch the carpet. That's better. Good boy, Rock. It's not affecting his appetite. They do like that bone broth stuff. And like I said, I used to make it. But 3 days of bones in a crock pot, it doesn't smell like a roast. It smells like the tripe. What is going on? You must be sick. Come on, get over there. You don't put chicken on the floor. Now I'm going to have to steam clean the carpet. He's never done that, eh? That's the second time. I can't remember the last time they actually got their tripe. I went, and they weren't stocking it because of COVID. Now we got a special delivery of it. Oh, Rock, you love your tripe, don't you? Hey? Look. What a good boy. Yeah. That good, bud? You haven't lost your appetite. A lot of the times with kennel cough, they want to eat, but they don't. But then again, it's like us. If we have the flu, how often do you feel like eating? And that's a good sign. And since he had honey, I don't have to worry about electrolytes. Go get your dish. Do your weird walk around. No, Rock, you're licking it clean. I'll have to remember to get that stuff. I can never pronounce Kefir. How would you pronounce that? Kefir? Kefir. This stuff is amazing for dogs. Okay, just because the fridge was open doesn't mean you need to be in there. Get out. Go get your dish. Come on, Apollo, get your dish. chicken. Apollo, go get your dish. Come on, bud. Get your dish. You didn't even leave a morsel, right? Stay away from his dish. Come on. Get away. Tubby, you've had enough. Apollo, go get your dish, buddy. That's the bone broth is mixed in there, and I want him to get that. Go on, go get your dish. Hi, Rock. Was that good? Rock? Come here. You let Apollo eat. Come here. He needs it more than you. No, Apollo, get your dish. Good job. You got your antibiotic too, didn't you? Yeah. Gonna be on the safe side. Looks like he's eating it. You better not. Well, actually, you know what? Even if Rock did get it, I imagine it would be a day. Because just like the vet said, they build up the antibodies to fight it better.
Yeah.
The first time he got it, weeks straight. Horrible, horrible. The second time he got it, I think it was a day and a half, and it was just a little bit of coughing, and then he was totally fine. But I'm shocked that Apollo got it. Like, look at Apollo came home at. He was only 5 weeks old when he came home. I was calling the vet every day, freaking out, knowing that Rocky had a really bad case of it.
There's a little bit left in his dish. Not overly too much.
Just a few little pieces.
Yeah.
That's all right, as long as you got most of it.
Yeah.
Just
pretty much. Really next to nothing.
I'll see. He wants it now. You want it? Good job. Good job, buddy.
That's what he wanted, somebody to hold his damn dish.
I need. Fred said he was gonna make me the bench style.
Yeah.
Like the lifted ones. The ones that they sell at the pet store. They're not eye pleasing by any means. Good job, buddy. You got it all. Yeah, you got it all. You can just put that in the sink. Good boys. You got all your medication.